Good morning, children. This is your online class from Montvishya School. So, children, as you know, I am your English teacher and my name is Miss Manisha. Okay. So, children, in this class we will study English grammar. Okay. So, all of you will take it out your English grammar book. That is chapter number 7. That is a new chapter. So, start. So, children, this is chapter number 7, nouns. Now, we have already learned that what is nouns. Okay, right? Yes. Now under this nouns, here is singular and plural nouns. Okay, these two are what we will means what are they we will learn now. Okay, now see, we will understand now. See, come to the definition. See in your book. Yes, see, point number 1 is what is, first we will see what is singular noun, right? So see, the noun that stands for one person, animal, place or thing is said to be in singular number. Now see, you know that what is noun? Noun is the name of the person, animal, place or thing, you know. So exactly that is only a singular number. But here what is the difference between noun and singular noun? What is the difference? That noun is also a name of person, place, animal or thing, or singular also is a name of person, animal, place or thing. But in singular, noun means only one person, one animal, one place and one thing which we are talking about is called a singular number. Okay, and plural number means more than one person, more than one place, more than one animal, thing. Okay, means that is two or more. Okay, so now have you got it, children? Yes. Now see, we will see understand with the example. See, now here this is one bat. So identify that ये कौन सा है, singular है या plural है? Tell children, it is singular noun or it is plural noun? Say, one bat is your singular noun. Yes, good. Now here it is two bats. Now I have said you that more than one thing is said to be plural noun. So now say me, this is singular or plural? Yes, this is plural. Yes. Now see, one dog. This is singular. Yes. And here two dogs. So this is plural. Okay. Now again, see here, one boy. This is singular. Yes. Suppose you are one boy. So you are singular. Okay. Yes. Now two boys. So means you and your friend. So that means plural. Yes. Now see, the noun bat stands for only one bat, right? So the noun dog stands for only one dog. The noun boy stands for only one boy. So we are talking about this one bat, one dog, to one boy. Okay, so these are, see, the nouns bat, dog and boy are therefore said to be in singular number. So this and this is singular number. Okay, now see next paragraph. The noun bats, see bats. Okay, S here is given, that means it is more than one bat. Okay, yes. The noun bats stands for more than one thing. The noun dogs stands for more than one animal. Okay, the noun boys stands for more than one person. Now we are talking about this. See, two bats, two dogs and two boys. So these are the plural number. See, the nouns bat, dogs and boys are therefore said to be in the plural number. Have you got, children? Yes. Now we will learn many more in our in detail. Okay, now see what is the, see here what is given formation of plurals. See, most nouns can be changed to their plural form by adding s to the singular. Now in singular, if we put s, then that becomes in plural form, right? So now see, now here you see clown is one and this is singular, right? Now if we will put s, see clown, and if we will put s over here, so it becomes plural, right? Now see egg. Now here again we will put s, now that becomes eggs, so that is plural, right? Yes. Yes, you are learning. Good, very good. Now see children, singular apple. So if here we will put s, so वो क्या हो जाएगा? दो apple. That means दो apple means what? Plural number. Yes. Now see owl. Now if we will say that there are many owls, so what we will say? Owls. Yes, and that is plural. Yes, good. Now children, this was all about singular and plural noun. Okay. Now your homework for today will be that you will read page number 32 and 33. You will read all the examples. Okay. You will understand what is the differences. Okay. In singular number and plural number. Okay. There are many new words that you can learn. Okay. So your homework you will do it. Okay. Page number 32 and 33. And in my next class I will and make you understand many more new things. Okay, so thank you, have a good day.